Hey guys, we are here to talk about the high voltage projects, the application at the high voltage. First of all, JFA recommends to not use a high voltage source for one or more batteries. Why? These projects can be damaged, can be harmless to the battery. If you use one source to 5 or 6 batteries, it can be harmful and can be overloading the batteries. So if you have one battery, you have 5 batteries in parallel with one high voltage source. This high voltage source will not charge every single one of the batteries at the same time or the same load of energy, and it will cause damage in one of them or two of them, and we will lose the batteries, and we will have to spend more money to buy another batteries for your sound project. So what JFA recommends to use? If you have a project that has 10 batteries, you need to use one source for each battery. You don't need to use an ampere, 60 ampere or 120 ampere. You can use a 10 ampere source for each battery. What your sound needs to be keep playing the maximum amount of voltage, but you need to use one source for one battery. This will allow you to have a better sound quality, a better recharge for the batteries, and this will give you a long life of your batteries, and you keep your sound playing a lot more time, and will not waste a lot of money with these recharged, uncharged batteries or your wasted batteries. In summary, JFA recommends to use one source for each battery and never use the high voltage batteries or the high voltage sources, because this will burn your sound product. This will give you an overheat of your batteries and an overload of your batteries. So you will spend money and you have to do it all again.